trying times in the last year, and so has the KVA family. The schools have gone from online to offline, and still the students have shown great interest in this type of teaching. The teachers have taken great pains to see that they impart all that is necessary and possible on offline classes. Similarly, the magazine of the school, which used to be printed as Oyster, is now in the air as a web, which you are going to witness now. I wish the contributors of content in the magazine interests each and every one of you, and you like the new format of this magazine, as well as I congratulate on my behalf and on behalf of the school all those who have taken great pains to make the whole year a grand success in spite of all the drawbacks. Thank you.
Greetings. We have all seen the rough times of this pandemic, but I would like to take this opportunity to applaud my Team KVA, for its impeccable performance and incessant efforts. They have put in all to give their best to the academic growth of our children. Oyster has been our platform for creativity of the children and staff. This year was different, so the creativity is different. So our team came out with this wonderful idea of vlog, and I want to congratulate my team for all their efforts put in for this vlog, and children who came out with such enthusiasm and vigor. Thanks once again, Team KVA, we rock.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are keeping fit and fine and enjoying quality life with your family. I know this pandemic has been a great suffering. On the other hand, it has also been a boon to us. Just imagine the usual routine that we were into. The pollution, the traffic, all that was not there when the pandemic was rampant. Not that it was a good time, but still, it has given us a lot of time to, enjoy ourselves, learn new skills. Whatever skills we had, hone them up. Some of you have become chefs. Some of you have definitely read a lot of books, I hope. And some of you must have helped your mothers in doing her usual chores. Wasn't that a great time you spent with your family? Isn't it that you people must have played together, laughed together, enjoyed together, partied together with grandparents and parents, and definitely you must have missed your friends. Online classes, they all must have helped you. Yes, they have, but they are not as good as offline classes, I know. So we are all hoping that we open up the school soon. We all are coming to school every day. Most of us are. And the school, the premises, they seem lifeless without you people here. And we are really waiting for the government to declare when we reopen completely. Regarding online classes, you have learned a lot of things yourself. Your teachers have learned a lot. They have shown you a lot of videos, many audios, and you have learned through different media. I know it cannot compete with the offline classes. And in the offline classes, when you come here, you are with friends. You enjoy life with them. You enjoy sharing things with them. You enjoy playing pranks on them. All this you are missing, and so are we. Otherwise, when will you get scoldings from your teachers? I don't think that's possible now, not much. Anyway, Now tell me one thing. We were with Oyster, a printed magazine, and we are coming out with a vlog. Did you not enjoy participating in it? I think you have. And I definitely must thank Surbhi Jalan madam for her great idea. And we have been able to put it forth and bring it to the fore. That has been done with the help of some students, some staff, and yes, I know it is going to be a great thing when you see it. Thank you all, those who have participated in it. You have done a great job. Some of you have sent such beautiful videos, and we love to see them. Though I have not seen the whole thing as yet, because otherwise it would have been old for me. So it's good, I have just seen some of it, but I know whatever I have seen, it was really good. It is good. And yes, this idea, I thank her profusely, the whole team, about which she will elaborate. I will not take that thing from her. So she will do that. And yes, I hope we all enjoy our lives still more till the time that we reopen. And after we reopen, let's enjoy again. Thank you so much.
Greetings, everyone. I hope you all are healthy and homebound. As the editor of Oyster, every year I have a little message for the kids, and I also share my experience of editing the magazine in that particular year. But this year was different. This year was about the video log, the vlog. And to be honest, when this idea occurred to me, it seemed much easier than what it turned out to be. But what kept me going was the motivation by the team members, the enthusiasm of the kids who have actually participated in it, and the fact that I was learning a new skill myself. And there are a lot of people that I need to thank for this. To start with, the authorities who have been very supportive of this particular idea and gave us the nod to go ahead with it. And then the parents and the kids who actually embraced this idea and came up with such an overwhelming response that we were taken aback by the number of videos we received. So thank you, kids, and thank you so much, parents. And then production and post-production would come secondary. In order to streamline things and get the idea conveyed, it was another task. And this would not have been possible without the entire team of KVA teachers. Then comes the editing team. And I guess the vlog would not have shaped up the way it has if it wasn't for them. To start with, I would like to thank Goswami sir and Hemant sir for the IT support. Without their support, I don't think we would have been able to manage with the resources we had. So thank you, Hemant sir and Goswami sir. And now my student editors, Janvi Savadia and Rishabh Agrawal from class 10C. These two kids have been an immense help. Without them being on board, you wouldn't have had the experience of vlog which you're going to have now. I mean, being a teacher, there are times we tell them a lot of things, but there would be times when kids actually start teaching all those things to us back. So this happened during this editing when I was so apprehensive of clicking on a certain feature or trying something out just because I didn't want that we had to go through the entire process again. These kids kept telling me, no, mom, it's okay. We'll fix this. We've got this sorted. And yes, we had our oh no moments, and there were times we actually had to redo everything. But these kids didn't lose heart, and they never allowed me to do so. So thank you so much, kids, for being on board. And I hope you too had a good time and a good learning being a part of the editing team. And then the performers, the kids who are going to feature in the vlog. Each and every kid has been outstanding. I need to mention the orators, the groovers, the artists, the storytellers, and especially the pre-primary kids. They've clearly been the show stealers here. The expressions they had, the confidence they had, and the kind of enthusiasm with which they have performed. Really, it's worth applauding. And I'm sure each one of you would agree with me when you go through the vlog. So now it's out there for you to watch. It's out there for you to analyze. I hope you would all shower your love on it. You'll embrace it. And just to repeat, We are no professionals. We have tried our level best to get the technicalities sorted. But if some stone has been left unturned, I promise we'll get better with the coming years. So, like every year, it is happy reading. This year, it's happy watching. So, hope you all like it. Thank you, everyone.
अमर राष्ट्र, उद्दंड राष्ट्र, उन्मुक्त राष्ट्र यह मेरी बोली, यह सुधार समझौतों वाली, मुझको भाती नहीं ठिठोली, मुझको भाती नहीं ठिठोली। कुछ इसी तरह के विचार कविता के रूप में आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। आशा है आप तक पहुंचेगी। हम ऐसे तो थे नहीं यकीनन, पर कब और कैसे हुए कुछ याद नहीं। पहले दूर दराज कोई गैर भी रोता था, तब घी चुपड़ी रोटी भी बेस्वाद हो जाती थी। पर अब पड़ोसी क्या, सगे की कराह भी सुकून देती है। हम कब पत्थर के हुए किसी किताब में दर्ज नहीं। हम इतने भी अभागे नहीं थे कि हमारे सपने आंखों में उतरने से मना करते। रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान, चांद, तारे, फूल, भंवरे, नदियां, झरने और न जाने क्या क्या सब कुछ था इन कविताओं में, इन आंखों में, इन सपनों में। हम ऐसे तो थे नहीं यकीनन, लेकिन ये कैसे और कब हुआ कि हम जड़ हो गए। जो चाहा उसे स्वीकार न सके और जिसे स्वीकारा उसे चाह न सके, और हो गए दोहरी मानसिकता के शिकार, गुलाम। तन से कुछ, मन से कुछ, भीतर से कुछ, बाहर से कुछ। हम ऐसे तो थे नहीं यकीनन। हमें तो गुमान था अपनी सभ्यता का, संस्कृति का, कला का, ज्ञान का, विज्ञान का। फिर हमारे ज़ेहन में पत्थरों के बीज कब बोए गए, कब फूहड़ता को हमने कला मान लिया, कब पाखंड को पूजने की आदत डाली, कब हमने देह के लिए देवता को नकार दिया, हमें पता ही नहीं चला। अब इस भयानक जड़ता से मुक्ति के लिए हमें लड़नी ही होगी जंग। अपने आप से तोड़नी होगी सदियों की चुप्पी, अपनी पथराई आत्मा पर करनी होगी चोट। मानव होने के लिए मानवता के अतिरिक्त कोई विकल्प नहीं है। अंत में बस इतना ही, सबकी नसों में पूर्वजों का पुण्य रक्त प्रवाह हो, गुणशील साहस बल तथा सब में भरा उत्साह हो, सबके हृदय में सर्वदा संवेदना की दाह हो, तुमको हमारी चाह हो, हमको तुम्हारी चाह हो। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मैं वनीता गोरछा आज आप सबके समक्ष अपनी एक स्वरचित रचना लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। मेरी रचना का शीर्षक है मिट्टी। बचपन से ही हम सब यही सुनते और समझते आए हैं, और अपने अनुभव से भी हमने यही जाना है कि भारत एक विविधताओं का देश है। इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी। यहाँ विभिन्न धर्मों और संप्रदायों के लोग रहते हैं। एक और जहाँ यह विविधता देश के सामाजिक ताने बाने को चार चांद लेती है, वहीं कभी कभी इसी विविधता के कारण संघर्ष की स्थिति भी उत्पन्न हो जाती है। तो आज अपनी इस कविता के माध्यम से मैं विभिन्न धर्मों और संप्रदायों के लोगों के लिए एक संदेश छोड़ना चाहती हूँ। तो सुनिए। तू मिट्टी में करता सजदा, तू मिट्टी में करता सजदा, मैं इसमें शीश झुकाता हूँ। तू इसको चूमता है, मैं इसको सिर से लगाता हूँ। खाने का अन्न दोनों का, खाने का अन्न दोनों का इस मिट्टी में ही उगता है। तेरी मस्जिद मेरा मंदिर इस मिट्टी से ही बनता है। मंजिल दोनों की है मिट्टी, चाहे राहें हैं अलग अलग। मंजिल दोनों की है मिट्टी, चाहे राहें हैं अलग अलग। मैं जलकर मिट्टी होऊंगा, तू मिट्टी होगा होकर दफन। तेरा और मेरा हम दोनों का इतना ही फसाना है। तेरा और मेरा दोनों का इतना ही फसाना है। मिट्टी से ही बनते हम, मिट्टी में मिल जाना है। फिर क्यों ना जीते जी भी हम, फिर क्यों ना जीते जी भी हम इस मिट्टी का सम्मान करें। बांटे प्यार सद्भाव जिससे इस मिट्टी की शान बढ़े, इस मिट्टी की शान बढ़े। धन्यवाद।